Out on a ride? If the clutch feels hard to pull, there might be some issue with the cable. It's always good to know how to replace it. Here are the steps that you need to follow. First, ensure you have all these tools. A 12mm open-end spanner, a 12mm C-spanner, and a screwdriver. These are available in your motorcycle toolkit. You'll also need a spare clutch cable. It is always recommended to use a genuine Royal Enfield clutch cable. You can get one easily at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. To start with, put the motorcycle on the center stand. Now loosen the lock nut on the right-hand side of the engine by using a 12mm spanner. Now slide the clevis shaft towards right and remove the clutch cable ball end from its housing. Remove the rubber grommet and the rear nut from the cable and keep them aside safely. Take the clutch cable out from the clutch cover bracket and remove the lock nut. Store it safely. Gently pull out the clutch cable from its housing on the right-hand fork. Now loosen the adjuster nut at the clutch lever end. Gently press the clutch lever fully and slide out the cable from the bracket and take out the ball end. Pull out the clutch cable from its housing on the left-hand fork. Now take the new clutch cable and insert it into its housing on the left-hand fork, tail end first. Next, press the clutch lever fully and position the adjuster nut. Slide the cable with the ball end into its bracket and guide it through the adjuster nut. Tighten the adjuster nut to its end position with the help of a screwdriver. Slide the clutch cable into its right-hand side housing, followed by inserting the lock nut into the threads. Insert the cable into its bracket on the right-hand side of the engine. Screw in the rear end nut and rotate it to bring it to the center. Now insert the rubber grommet into the cable. Push the clevis shaft and insert the ball end of the clutch cable into its slot. Finally, tighten the rear end nut fully. Once the new cable is fitted, you will have to check for its free play. When the handlebar is turned left, the free play of the clutch lever should be between 10 and 12 mm. Refer to the clutch cable adjustment tutorial to go through the steps. Routing off clutch cable is very important to ensure motorcycle performance. Ensure free movement and no stickiness of cable in the sleeve. Replace the clutch cable as per the maintenance schedule for optimal performance. Do not wash or use any solvent for the inner cable. Your clutch cable is now replaced and your motorcycle is ready for the trip.